Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today's topic is Turing Machine. So first we'll see what is Turing Machine. Turing Machine consists of a tape. The input are stored on tape which can be extended in both the direction. So I can say Turing machine consists of infinite tape. The input is stored on this tape. Turing machine consists of a head which reads the input, which stores the state, changes if required and moves to the next state, and the head moves either to right or left accordingly. Okay, so what is Turing machine? A Turing machine is an accepting device which accepts the languages generated by type 0 grammar. I hope you remember what is type 0 grammar. Do you remember there are 4 types of grammar? Take a minute and recall Chomsky hierarchy, that is types of grammar. Hope you remember. You have 4 types: type 0, unrestricted grammar; type 1, context sensitive grammar; type 2, context free grammar; type 3, regular grammar. If you want more detail, you can go to my site and check for detailed notes on Chomsky hierarchy. Coming back to Turing machine. A Turing machine is a mathematical model which consists of an infinite length tape divided into cells on which input is given. It consists of head which reads the input tape. A state register stores the state of the Turing machine. After reading an input symbol, it is replaced with another symbol. Its internal state is changed and it moves from one cell to the right or left according to the example. If the Turing machine reaches the final state, the input string is accepted, otherwise rejected. So now we'll see the formal definition of Turing machine. Turing machine is formally described with 7 tuples: Q, T, summation, delta, Q0, P and F. You know Q, you know summation, you know Q0, you know F. So what is T? Since Turing machine has tape, whatever alphabet we use on the tape is T. So it also consists of summation as well as few more alphabets which we use. Delta is transition function. We'll come back to this later. Q0 as usual initial state. B is used to represent blank symbol. F is final state. Okay, so we'll see a simple example how to design Turing machine for 0 raised to n, 1 raised to n. So now, if I take one example, a raised to n, b raised to n. What do you mean by a raised to n, b raised to n? It is equal number of a's and b's and number of a's followed by number of b's. That is equal number of a's followed by equal number of b's. So here I have taken 3 a's and 3 b's. These are stored on tape. Okay, so how to check whether we have equal number of a's and equal number of b's? For every a, search for b. Okay, as I did now. For first a, search for first b. Come back. Second a, second B. Come back, third A, third B. This is done till I get a blank at the right side. So, now I'll explain this in detail. As I said, Turing machine consists of head which can move left as well as right. So this is beauty of Turing machine, that it can read any alphabet or any alphabet from the string. So first what we'll do, we'll start with the first element. Okay, I got my first A. What we'll do? We'll mark it with X and we'll move right till I get a B. So for this A, I got a B, so make this X. Or we'll do one thing, we'll make it Y. To just differentiate A and B. So for first A, I got a B. Now again I have to return back for next A. So how I will know that where is my next A? So I have to move left till I get a X. As soon as I get a X, I'll be moving right. So now I got a second A. So I'll make this X and move right till I get a B. I got a B, so I'll make that Y. Okay, now again I'll repeat this. Move left till I get a X. Fine. If I got a X, what I have to do? Move right till I get a A, make it X and move right till I get a B. I got a B, make it Y. Again, move left till I get a X. I got a X here now and I am moving right in search of A. But now we have Y here, no A. So what I have to search for now? I shouldn't get any B's also. And directly I should get a B. If I get a B, when I am searching for A, if I get a B, then it is accepted. I hope this example is clear. Okay. Now how we have to represent this in state table? We'll just check that now. What are the symbols we are using? What are the input tapes? It is A, we have B, we have X. A we are converting into X. We have B representing Y, and also we are reading capital B which represents blank. Okay, So we'll start and I'll show you how to represent the state table Q0. What we had done in Q0, we searched for A, okay, and converted it to X, convert it to X, go to next state and move right. Are you understanding what I am saying here? Q0 on A is going to Q1 and this A is converted to X and we are moving after this head to right side in search of B. Okay. So now just look at this. What we are doing in Q1, see in this, I got this A, I converted this to X and I'm moving right in search of B. If I get a B, what we'll do? We'll convert this to Y and move left in search of X. We convert this to Y and move left in search of X. So we are again changing the state. What we are doing in Q2? We are searching for X. If we get a X, what we are doing? We are doing nothing with X. We are keeping X as it is and we are moving right side in search of A, and searching of A is done in Q0. So this is the main problem of Turing machine. Now on the way we may get anything. So if we have to fill all this now. Okay. So in Q0 when I am moving right, I cannot get a B. So there is nothing here. In Q0 when I get a X and I am removing right, I cannot get a X. Okay. But at last, when everything is completed, when I get a X and come back to Q0 in search of A, I may get a Y. So if I get a Y, keep Y as it is. Go to the final state and move right till you get a blank. So in Q3, if I get a blank, it should be accepted. Okay. Then in this Q1, I may get a, so keep it as it is. Move right in search of B. I cannot get X. I may get Y. Keep Y as it is and move right in search of B. I cannot get blank here. We are moving left. In Q2, we are moving left in search of X. So we may get A, we may get Y. We may get A, we are moving left. We may get Y, move left. This is Q2. We cannot get X. Sorry, we cannot get B. Okay, in Q2, we cannot get A, B or X. We can get Y. If I get a Y, read it and just move right till I get a blank. So this is how it works. If you see in this, the same thing is written here. Just go through this, okay, and draw the transition diagram depending on the delta function. The example is solved here. The same PPT has been uploaded on your site also. You can go through that. in detail. I hope the example is clear